इक्विटी ट्रेडर्स की एक फेवरेट मेथड है ब्रेकआउट ट्रेडिंग। अब ब्रेकआउट ट्रेडिंग सबको डिफरेंट तरीके से पता है। कोई ब्रेकआउट ट्रेडिंग करता है, मान के चलिए 1 मंथ का रेंज ब्रेकआउट, 1 वीक का रेंज ब्रेकआउट। नाउ द क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे ब्रेकआउट ट्रेडिंग अरे करते हैं, मोस्टली इक्विटी ट्रेडर्स आर डूइंग ब्रेकआउट ट्रेडिंग। नाउ वन ऑफ द मेन प्रॉब्लम इन ब्रेकआउट ट्रेडिंग इज द फेलियर, द फॉल्स ब्रेकआउट। अब लोकेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। कोई भी ब्रेकआउट ट्रेडिंग करोगे, द लोकेशन कहां पे ब्रेकआउट ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हो, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट। तो इन दिस टुडेज वीडियो आई विल शेयर यू अ फ्रेमवर्क। मतलब ब्रेकआउट ट्रेडिंग करना इजी है, बट इंपॉर्टेंट आपके पास एक क्लियर फ्रेमवर्क होना चाहिए जहां पे यू नीड टू हैव अ क्लियर आइडिया ऑन 3 थिंग्स। I will write it down here quickly. Number one is the location. Okay. Number two is direction. These two has to be very clear. Obviously, equity traders हो तो you can go only on the upside direction. Downside की तो कोई chance ही नहीं है. Only option you have is the upside direction. Now comes the location plus timing. Now, for any kind of breakout trading, always one thing is the most important. That is price. What is the past trend of the price? मतलब आप इक्विटी ट्रेडिंग, व्हेन यू आर फोकस्ड ऑन इक्विटी ट्रेडिंग, द फर्स्ट रूल इज you have only option to go positionally or swing on the long side. Short side नहीं कर सकते हो other than intraday when it comes to equity. So long side means stronger the stock, the stock should be already in a stronger bull trend या फिर मिनिमम बुलिश। मतलब मिनिमम बुलिश ट्रेंड होना चाहिए। यहां पे नोटिस कीजिए, देयर आर डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स जहां पे प्राइस is making sideways and then breakout. So first one is price is already moving up and then price is sideways making a breakout. Number one. Number two, price is already moving up, there is a small downside momentum, uske baad zigzag zigzag and then a breakout. This is number two. Number three, price trying to move up is fine and already it is coming down and it is consolidating. This is breakout number three. Now we need to understand one thing. Why price is going sideways? First of all, you have to be एक चीज clear, both picture perfect आपको clear होना चाहिए। सारे ट्रेडर साइडवेज है, ब्रेकआउट हो जाएगा, बाई बाई बाई। नहीं चलता है ऐसा प्रैक्टिकली। आपको पता होना चाहिए कि ये साइडवेज क्यों बन रहा है, कहां बन रहा है, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट। आप नोटिस कीजिए इन दिस नंबर वन सिनारियो, फॉर एग्जांपल दिस L&T फाइनेंस चार्ट। यहां पे नोटिस, जस्ट नोटिस, price is already moving up and it is sideways here at the top, it is sideways here. तो इसका मतलब one thing you need to understand always, price cannot go in a straight line up, price cannot come down straight line down, not possible. Price will fluctuate. And number second, why price goes sideways? There are multiple scenario. Lower level bulls trying to come, higher level sellers are trying to come. Both, I repeat, both are what? Not strong. दोनों strong नहीं है। If bears are strong enough तो नीचे control ले लेंगे. If bulls are strong enough, they will move the price up. Right? Both are not strong. That is where the price goes sideways. In short, both are tired. Okay, both are tired. Both are just trying to fight. This is the main reason price goes sideways. And when it comes to the type number one, price is already moving up and it is sideways. For example, the instant example, L&T Finance, already price rallied a lot year from year or wherever bottom we can pick. For from 2025, it a lot of rally has been happened. Almost stock is about to double in this 2025. Okay, that is bigger trend. अब हम ब्रेकआउट यहाँ पे करने वाले हैं। तो I am not wasting time ki what happened here, what happened here, what is the trend here, what is the trend here. No, I just want to see prices sideways here. What is the recent 1 month price behavior, recent 2 month price behavior. That's it. तो यहाँ पे as per the type 1, price is sideways here. It is trying to stay sideways. Example going on, price already moving up, staying sideways. Now, the biggest question mark. whether this breakout will be success या फिर the breakout will be failure. How to identify? 100% there is no secret method to find out. Let me be very honest. But यहाँ पे the crucial factor is here I will be using a tool called Anchor VWAP. यू वुड हैव हर्ड इट. ये कोई नया टूल नहीं, मैजिक टूल नहीं है. आपको भी कोई आइडिया होगा, कहाँ पे भी देखा होगा, कोई वीडियो में, कोई आर्टिकल में, कोई ट्विटर में, कहीं ना कहीं आपने देखा होगा. इफ यू फ्रेश न्यू, नो प्रॉब्लम. आई एम नॉट गोना डीप डाइव की व्हाट इज दिस इंडिकेटर, ये किसका कैलकुलेशन क्या है, व्हाट इज द लॉजिक ऑफ दिस इंडिकेटर, जरूरत नहीं है. इंपॉर्टेंट यही है कि वेर एवर आई एम पॉइंटिंग इट, इट विल प्लॉट लाइन्स. इसका मतलब एंकर वीवैप. आई विल जस्ट शो यू एन एग्जांपल. एंकर वीवैप कैसा लगता है. This is anchor VWAP. You can just see here in this trading में fourth और fifth option यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है anchor VWAP. If I just select any candle from that, it will start plotting VWAP. It's like an VWAP, normal VWAP देखते हो right? Every day 5 minute में changes VWAP use करते हो. Anchor VWAP is just an what I can call a pro version of VWAP. In short, simple. Okay. So now task is simple. I am using Anchor VWAP. Why? Before telling the framework, I want to tell you why I am using Anchor VWAP. First, I am discussing type 1. This is sideways trading higher and then breakout. Type 2, price is sideways and then a small down move. Uske baad sideways. Type 3, already price is moving down and this is sideways. So I am going one by one. First, I will complete type 1 and then move on to type 2. And this type 3 is the worst type when it comes to breakout trading, but still I will explain you. Worst type, why it is worst type, when we can use that worst type to take benefit of breakout trading. I will just tell you, explain you in detail. So before that, traders, make sure to like this video and don't miss out to subscribe my channel, and main important, turn on the bell icon to get the notification. Your likes motivates me to do more and more videos. And obviously to stay connected with us, description mein WhatsApp group, Telegram channel, all the links are there. Don't forget to join. Now I'll be focusing on the first type. Before going on to the first type, Anchor VWAP. Why I am wanna use Anchor VWAP? What is the importance I'll be using on Anchor VWAP to find the chance of these breakouts to be successful rather than failure, successful. Okay, first, why I'm going to use Anchor VWAP is to test the trend. I repeat, is to test the trend. And second, test the sideways action. Okay, test the trend and to test the sideways action. These are the two only reasons I'll be using Anchor VWAP. That's it. So this will give me a check, a test before going for a breakout, a test. For example, if you want to buy a car, what you will do? Test drive करोगे ना? बिना test drive जाके कोई कार खरीदने वाला नहीं है. या फिर he or she would have already drived somewhere else. उनका friend, family members, colleague, कहीं ना कहीं would have tested, drive the car, and then you are going and purchasing the car. नहीं fresh कर रहे हो, you will go to the showroom, टेस्ट ड्राइव करके ही कार लोगे ना. आपको पता होना चाहिए कंफर्ट कितना है, कुशन कितना है, वर्थफुल है, क्वालिटी है, ऑल दिस हैज टू बी चेक. सेम चीज यहाँ पे करने वाली हो फॉर एंकर वीवैप, यूजिंग एंकर वीवैप. ओके, नाउ द टास्क इज वी आर गोइंग इन द टाइप नंबर 1. प्राइस इज ऑलरेडी रैलिंग, उसके बाद पॉज, कंटिन्यूटी. मतलब इन शॉर्ट टाइप 1 में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? ऑलरेडी द ट्रेंड इज अप, उसी ट्रेंड को राइड करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. फॉर दैट वी आर यूजिंग ब्रेकआउट ट्रेडिंग. दैट इज द रीजन. चलो नाउ साइडवेज. अब ये साइडवेज कितना दिन मिनिमम होना चाहिए? बिकॉज जस्ट नोटिस हियर, यहाँ पे 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 डेज साइडवेज है. उसके बाद मार्केट नीचे भी आया, ब्रेकआउट फेलियर, इट इज गोइंग अप. चलो बढ़िया. एंड यहाँ पे नोटिस कीजिए 1 2 3 4 एंड देन प्राइस कंटिन्यू. ओनली 4 डेज. व्हाट टू डू हियर? 4 डेज है, 2 डेज है, 5 डेज है, 1 डेज है. ओके, यहाँ पे नोटिस कीजिए लॉन्गर साइडवेज है एंड देन ट्राइंग टू मूव अप. हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई कितना वेट करना चाहिए, टिल व्हाट लॉन्ग द साइडवेज. आई रिपीट ना, साइडवेज के लिए एनीथिंग 5 to 7 days एंड अबव, उसके नीचे नॉट वर्थ. आई रिपीट अगेन, इतना वर्थफुल नहीं है. 5 to 7 days and above. Price has to be in a range. Then it is worthful. Now, I'll show you different example. First, anchor VWAP कैसे plot करना है when I am plotting. यहाँ पे notice कीजिए sideways. Okay, I'll take different example. For before taking the older example, I'll take a fresh example. यहाँ पे just notice कीजिए. As usual, everything is for the educational purpose only. Already price is moving up. यहाँ पे price is sideways. How many days? 1, 2, 3, 4. More than 7 days. चलो बढ़िया. More than 5 to 7 days. Valid. Now where I am plotting anchor VWAP. Nearest swing low. Number 1. Or नियरेस्ट लो जहां से प्राइस फास्टली रिजेक्टेड. दोनों ही एक ही है, बोलने की तरीका अलग है बस. स्विंग लो को किसको बोलते हैं? जहां से प्राइस ने रिवर्स किया. और सेकेंड टाइम मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं? जहां से प्राइस ने रिजेक्ट किया. दैट्स इट. ओके, प्राइस ने रिजेक्ट करके द मूव कंटिन्यू टुवर्ड्स अपसाइड इन शॉर्ट. चलो बढ़िया. अब प्राइस यहाँ पे साइडवेज है, आपको भी पता है, मुझे भी पता है. अब ये ब्रेकआउट सक्सेसफुल होगा नहीं होगा किसको पता है? सिंपल, एंकर वीवैप से टेस्ट करेंगे. आई एम जस्ट क्लिकिंग द एंकर वीवैप. अब उससे पहले व्हाट इज द प्रीवियस स्विंग लो? यहाँ पे भी है. उसके बाद यहाँ से भी प्राइस ने इमीडिएट रिजेक्ट किया. दीज आर द टू थिंग्स अवेलेबल. अब मुझे चाहिए तो मैं नियरेस्ट मार्क करना तो मैं इसको मार्क करूंगा. मुझे थोड़ा पीछे जाके मार्क करना तो मैं इसको मार्क करूँ. जस्ट नोटिस ये यहाँ पे टू लाइन विच यू कुड सी एंकर वीवैप. जस्ट मैंने कैंडल को क्लिक किया. दैट्स इट. नाउ नोटिस ये दिस इज वेरी फार अवे. अब ये ब्रेकआउट के लिए तो ये वाला एंकर वीवैप कोई यूज आने वाला नहीं है. राइट, सो आई विल बी रिमूविंग. कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए कौन सा स्विंग लो मार्क करना. जो भी क्लोजेस्ट टू द ब्रेकआउट है. राइट, दिस वन इज क्लोजेस्ट, दिस इज स्लाइड फार एनफ. अब कंफ्यूज है तो दोनों ही मार्क करना गलत नहीं है. उसके बाद देख लेना कि कौन सा एंकर वीवैप लाइन विच इज क्लोजर रोटेटिंग अराउंड द ब्रेकआउट साइडवेज लोकेशन. तो फाइन एंड फेयर ये तो फार अवे है, इसका कोई बेनिफिट नहीं मिलने वाला है. तो आई एम रिमूविंग दिस. ओके, मैं इसको रिमूव कर रहा हूं. नाउ दिस इज द एंकर वीवैप व्हिच आई प्लॉटेड हियर. यही से क्लिक किया, यहां से फास्ट रिजेक्शन प्राइस वाज हैपनिंग. नाउ टास्क इज सिंपल. दिस इज एंकर वीवैप लाइन. ओके, प्राइस एक दिन ऊपर एक दिन नीचे, ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे. दिस इज ओवरलैपिंग लाइक दिस. नॉट इंटरेस्ट, वर्थ नहीं है. प्राइस एंकर वीवैप प्लॉटेड, either it has to trade above या फिर प्राइस ओवरलैप इट इज हैपनिंग. एक दिन ऊपर नीचे कर रहा है बट देयर शुड बी ए रिजेक्शन. मतलब कोई ना कोई विक से रिजेक्ट होना जरूरी है. यहाँ पे नोटिस कीजिए. From here I have plotted, it is already 1, 2, 3, 4 overlapping, fully overlapping. Just notice here for the past 1 and 2 days. What is happening? Price is trying to come below the anchor VWAP, rejecting by a wick. बस wick formation दिख रहा है, कैंडल में नहीं देख रहा हूं. wick formation है. चलो क्लोजिंग बेसिस में फाइन एंड फेयर. सो टेस्ट प्रूव्ड, टेस्ट अप्रूव्ड है कि ये साइडवेज जो भी एक्शन क्रिएट कर रहा है, प्राइस सिनेरियो डेवलप हो रहा है. For me, this is worth because it is rejecting from anchor view. अब ये रिजेक्शन हम जाके we will reject कैंडल क्लोज के लिए वेट करेंगे, तब तक ब्रेकआउट ही हो जाएगा. ओनली विक दिखना इंपॉर्टेंट है रिजेक्शन के लिए. हो रहा है. सो दिस इज माई प्लान. अब ये ब्रेकआउट टेस्ट क्लियर, एंकर वीवैप का टेस्ट क्लियर. ये प्राइस इज मेकिंग अ ब्रेकआउट. अब मैं क्या करूंगा? प्राइस ये साइडवेज रेंज है. अब देयर कैन बी टू सिनेरियो. यहां से ये पूरा साइडवेज है. एक्चुअली दिस इज फुल्ली साइडवेज एंड दिस इज शॉर्टर साइडवेज. कोई भी छोटे साइडवेज में जाके अट्रैक्ट मत हो जाओ. बिकॉज जस्ट ट्राई टू नोटिस ये दिस इज द बुलिश कैंडल. उसके बाद प्राइस इज ट्रेडिंग इनसाइड द बुलिश कैंडल. So this is fully a sideways trade, a full sideways. So if price is making a breakout, my strategy is to execute on the breakout level. What is the stop loss? मान के चलिए if it is executing tomorrow, for example, previous candle low is my stop loss. Because my intention is clear. कोई भी breakout है, breakout ऊपर जाके failure हो रहा है, ये यहाँ पे टाइम पास करेगा. दिस ब्रेकआउट सक्सेसफुल, वेरी चांसेस लेस. प्राइस ब्रेकआउट हो रहा है, उसके बाद बाई चांस कमिंग बैक, ये ब्रेकआउट लेवल से ही पुल बैक रिजेक्शन कर रहा है. दिस इज मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर. इफ इट इज कमिंग इनसाइड मींस इट इज वीकर. सो सिंपल शॉर्ट सिनेरियो, यहाँ पे इट इज साइडवेज. प्राइस फॉर एग्जांपल एनी ट्रेडिंग सेशन में ब्रेकआउट, previous candle low is my stop loss. So my stop loss is shorter. If by chance breakout failure, I'll be coming out in a small stop loss. If it is successful, the rally might be quick enough. तो दोनों मेरे लिए विन विन सिचुएशन बन रहा है. Now I'll take further few other example in this itself before going forward, because I want to show other type also. अब यहाँ पे notice कीजिए, यहाँ पे भी price sideways है. Right now it's important. यहाँ पे already moving up 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 more than 5 to 7 days. चलो valid. What is the sideways? This and this is the sideways range. Okay, now what I need to mark? Anchor P अब टेस्ट करना पड़ेगा. So टेस्ट कैसे करेंगे? Now this is the location जहां से प्राइस ने रिवर्स किया. Number 1. Right? Number 1, that is the location जहां से प्राइस ने रिवर्स किया. This is the only location जहां से प्राइस ने रिवर्स किया है. नियरेस्ट टू द साइडवेज, इस साइडवेज की नियरेस्ट यही पे है. उसके बाद एवरी डे इट इज मूविंग अप, दैट इज नथिंग एल्स. सो आई एम मार्किंग एंकर बीवा. सॉरी, आई एम मार्किंग एंकर बीवा फ्रॉम हियर. लो ऑफ दिस कैंडल यहां से मार्क कर लिया. जस्ट नोटिस हियर प्राइस साइडवेज, इस साइडवेज का रेंज है. राइट, बिकॉज ये टॉप है ना, दिस इज द टॉप, दिस इज द बॉटम. ओके, immediately breakout हो रहा है. few points buffer I will be giving. I am entering my trade as per this trade strategy. Stop loss क्या है? This is the stop loss. Now I need to see on the left side what is the location. If it is on the all time high, 52 week high, तो एकदम what I can say, cherry on the cake, icing on the cake. देखना है कि yes it is at all time high. Yes it is at all time high. तो अब all time high पे क्या करें? What is there? All time high. So in short, this is the breakout level and मेरा execution above these breakout level. Okay, few points above the breakout. What is the stop loss? My stop loss is previous day's low is the stop loss. Few points below previous day low is the stop loss. Now, important task here is till where I need to rally, because all time I, if there is any left side mirror resistance, till that I can rally. All time I, till where I can rally. All time I may, there is nothing called till when I can rally. No, all time I stocks 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4. If I am getting, I am happy to come out. Okay, no sir, I will be systematic only. I want to follow rules only. Okay, chalo, if you want to follow the rules, you will do that also. Turn on 9 moving average. Turn on 9 moving average. Candle closing below 9 moving average. If the candle closing low, below 9 moving average, low, if it is breaching, exit. This is systematic exit. Nice sir, I am happy with 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4. So risk reward based exit. Simple rule, all time high stock, no reference level there. If systematic exit, मान के चलिए 1 is to 3, 1 is to 4, 1 is to 3.5 में I am exiting. या फिर 1 is to 3.5 I am exiting. हो गया exit. 1 is to 3.5 exit. Right? या फिर I want to exit at 1 is to 3 to 1 is to 4 anywhere, no problem. Now how to say कि 1 is to 3 is fixed, 1 is to 4 is fixed. Simple rule है. Breakout हुआ, price trying to go up. Okay, small candle formation. Once it is coming near 1 is to 3, I'll be checking कि कितना continuous green candle ही बन रहा है. There is nothing in terms of red candle. तो bears आ ही नहीं रहे. They are not even coming. Then I'll go for 1 is to 4. Okay, then it is the case I will be going, यहाँ पे price trying to move up, again coming down, red candle, फिर से trying to go up, again coming down, फिर से trying to go up and approaching 1 is to 3 means I am happy to come out. This is risk reward based exit scenario I will be following. nahi, I am strict systematic trader, sir. I will not do anything risk reward based. Exit 9 moving average, candle closing below 9 moving average, the low is breach, exit. That's it. Simple, straightforward rule. Now, moving forward to other type. Now, I'll just show you different stocks so that this is a straightforward stock. Now, CDSL. Let's take CDSL. यहाँ पे notice कीजिए CDSL में. Just closely track this. Price. It's not like the previous example, moving up sideways, moving up sideways. No. Look at this price coming down. यहाँ पे बड़े range पे, tight range पे price action is going on. It's getting lot of action up down price behavior, which is getting developed. Fine and fair deal. Now its important task is to understand, to identify what and how the scenario is getting developed. Based on that, I need to react. Now it's important to understand already यहाँ से price moving down and then it's a bigger range पे overlapping. So now this time this is sideways range. We have these recent on the left side price is trying to come up. Fine and fair. Okay. So now what is the older 10? What is the older trend? What is the older bigger range direction? यहाँ पे already down move. So if it is breakout is happening, that is left side. There is left side price behavior which is there to disturb, which is there to stop. So it's important. Now scenario is different. Now, now it's important to check how and what. How worthful is this? यहाँ पे नोटिस करना है how worthful is this. Before this, इसे sideways का range चल रहा है, right? चलो बढ़िया, fine and fair deal. Now if breakout, even if it is happening, obviously we know यहाँ से bears ने reject किया, so this stop is a hurdle for me, this stop is a resistance for me. Now first let's mark the anchor VWAP. What is anchor VWAP? How I'll be marking here? यहाँ पे नोटिस कीजिए, यहाँ से भी प्राइस रिजेक्टेड एंड रिवर्स. दिस इज द मेजर स्विंग लो. इफ वी नीड टू अवॉइड कंफ्यूजन, आई विल मार्क बोथ. whichever is closer, I'll be taking that criteria. Number 1, number 2. And if I just want to closely check here, both the cases, no problem. Both are very close. This is sideways range. This is also very close. This is also very close. यहाँ पे नोटिस कीजिए, it is overlapping somewhere here. It is clearly above here. यहाँ पे नोटिस कीजिए, price is trying to reject with a wick formation. Everything is fine and fair. Now, what is the sideways range? This is the sideways range which is getting developed, right? So now if the breakout is happening on any given upcoming day, for example, if it is happening tomorrow's session, means the previous candle low is my stop loss, or whenever it is happening until it is sideways, या फिर breakout failure, whatever scenario, until the sideways is continuing and price is stably near or above the anchor VWAP, rejecting around the anchor VWAP, यहाँ पे if this breakout is happening, I need to check the risk to reward. If it is happening tomorrow, means my previous candle's low is my stop loss. So in that case, I am executing. For example, here, if tomorrow breakout, the next session breakout is happening, this is my stop loss. So I need to see कि कितना risk to reward है. I am checking risk to reward from where? This is sideways, downside breakout, pullback, rejection. This is our tough sellers who are taking resistance here. So from here, just check 1:1.75 is the risk reward. यहाँ पे मेरा rule simple है. If the risk reward is less than 1:1.5, where there is opposite side hurdle is there, I am not interested. If it is less than 1:1.5, not worth. That is what I believe. For example, any other trading day, if not tomorrow, tomorrow is also slow, and then one day after it is crossing. My previous candle low is the stop loss. Here I'll be checking what is my risk to reward. Again, simple rule, it should be above 1:1.5 minimum. If there is left side, someone is there, some location is there, some resistance is there to defense. If there is a defense, I need to be protecting, safeguarding myself. It's not like you all breakout, jumping, pumping and taking a trade. It should be worthful in terms of the risk reward for going anything. Not worthful. I am not here to waste my time. Now, let's take different example. Randomly, I'm moving this, what I can say, this cursor you can see in the watch list. I'm just randomly trying to move. यहाँ पे नोटिस कीजिए, Fortis Healthcare. चलो, it is sideways for longer duration. यहाँ पे भी sideways, everywhere it is sideways. यहाँ पे just notice here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th day price trying to go out. If I just try to consider this also, because we don't know ना market में कब क्या कैसे हो रहा है, I am just considering this also. यहाँ पे भी sideways था. Okay, already moving up, एक dip था, फिर से trying to move up sideways. Whether anchor VWAP, whether test clear हो रहा है क्या before a breakout. This is the nearest swing low. This is the nearest swing low. I'm just marking this candle. यहाँ पे notice कीजिए. This is the nearest swing low. I'm mark किया. Price यहाँ पे sideways था. Yes, obviously. This is sideways. Breakout. SL below this breakout candle low. This is my SL. Right? यहाँ पे breakout हुआ. एक दिन हुआ, 2 दिन हुआ, 3 दिन, 4 दिन. कुछ मोमेंटम नहीं. क्या करें? No momentum. बिल्कुल ही टाइम पास कर रहा है। यहाँ पे नोटिस कीजिए स्टॉक कहां पे ट्रेड कर रहा है। ब्रेकआउट का मतलब ये नहीं ना ब्रेकआउट ले लिया तो बैठना ही पड़ेगा, नहीं। यहाँ पे क्लोजली जस्ट सी दिस, इट्स नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट कि ब्रेकआउट है, जस्ट वी हैव टू स्टिक टू इट, वी हैव टू जस्ट, नहीं। द रूल यहाँ पे इज ब्रेकआउट हैपेंड, ओके, entered breakout, this is my previous candle low breakout, jab whenever breakout is happening, previous candle low, stop loss, stock is trading at all time high, everything super fantastic, price made a breakout, good close, okay. Next day sideways, 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 price action is continuing for longer duration. Breakout के बाद, breakout after a breakout, same we are waiting now 5 days minimum price range sideways. Same after breakout, if 5 days price is again overlapping, not continuing the breakout follow through rally, 5 days kuch nahi ho raha hai. On the closing to closing basis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, for 5 days closing to closing basis kuch nahi ho raha hai. I am out. On the close of the fifth day, I am out. यहाँ पे भी 5 days, यहाँ पे भी 5 days का rule. Fifth day I am out means yeah, breakout entry here, exit is also somewhere here. Nothing to lose. कोई problem नहीं. Now, next. फिर से price is sideways only, right? Price is still sideways means it is worth. I can stay or to focus on those sideways further also. यहाँ पे notice कीजिए where it is sideways 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, everything is sideways. तो यहाँ पे what and where is my swing? This is the sideways high. Sideways low I have to find out because this is sideways range. जहाँ पे sideways low is there. Now it's important to check what is the nearest swing low या फिर जहां से प्राइस ने रिजेक्ट किया. I have two levels. One यहाँ से प्राइस ने रिजेक्ट किया and this is the two levels. Let me mark both the levels. I repeat, why I'm again and again marking both the levels is to avoid confusion. But to be frank, this is not that strong rejection because already a wick is formed here. Next day it is an inside candle. So better is this reject, yeah, reversal, swing reversal will be taken because there is no rejection. Candle plotted, right? Candle is being marked, selected. Now, just notice here. Price यहाँ पे sideways, 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 stable above it, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Wick formation से reject कर रहा है, चलो बढ़िया. Now look at this, breakout failure. Price making a breakout failure, additional booster, downside breakout failure, and then price is making crossing the breakout level. Additional booster. I'm entering on this breakout level. I stop loss क्या है? Previous day low is my stop loss. आराम से target 1:4, 3, whatever you want, everything is easily getting triggered. And alongside, if I want to moving average based exit, no sir, I am very strict systematic trader. Okay, कोई problem नहीं. There are traders which have mindset. No problem. It's depend on now 9 moving average. 9 moving average to avoid confusion. Let me change the color of the moving average. Blue color, 9 moving average I am plotting. Just see this. I have executed here. Okay. Price ने breakout किया. How much rally I have got? Any moving average, 9 moving average, कुछ भी हो जाए. To be honest, human mentality, human mindset is there. Right? Human mindset never changes easily. So this is my entry. 1:5 risk reward मिलने के बाद I am still sitting with not booking anything means problem. 1:4 मिल रहा है, 1:5 मिल रहा है. I have to do something. 1:4 for me ना practically. 1:3 to 1:4 good risk reward for me to exit. For example, if I am waiting till last means price closing here, candle close below 9 moving average, exit means the exit would have came here. Okay. Until that 1:1.4 and above already received. Aram se I'm happy. Breakout may what else I want. So now 1:3 once it is achieved. Just look at this. 1:3 यहाँ पे achieve हो रहा है. Right? 1:3 यहाँ पे achieve हो रहा है. So now how can I say कि I can wait till 1:4 या फिर come out? Simple. If I am all time high पे ही बोल रहा हूँ, if it is at all time high, I'll wait for 1 or 2 day action to develop. यहाँ पे 1 day came down. This low it is itself is not crossing. Price again continuing. That is where I will hold for 1:4. यहाँ पे I see a bearish candle after 1:3. If the low is breached, I am exiting here. If it is not breached, I am going for 1:4. तो win-win situation में I am trailing my stop loss parallelly also. When it is a win-win situation, trailing stop loss is the probably a best option, best scenario to be developed. So I have shared you multiple different aspects and the method number 3, probably one of the worst method. Why I am telling worst method is method number 3, which is I'm talking out quickly. I just show you anything, any stocks. I'll just push it very quick. यहाँ पे notice कीजिए. This is a stock Eris Life Science, right? Let me turn off the moving average once. Okay. So यहाँ पे notice कीजिए, price is coming down. This is type 3. उसके बाद price is sideways at the bottom. इसका मतलब क्या है? Trend is down. Price is sideways here. If I am hoping for a breakout trading here means I am completely opposite to this player. I have to fight with these players. For me, this kind of activity is probably a risk. I might only do only if it is a downside move, sideways, breakout failure. In this case, I am happy to go. यहाँ पे notice कीजिए, यहाँ पे this is sideways range. Okay. यहाँ पे it is breakout. I cannot plot anchor VWAP here because where I will plot anchor VWAP? If I am plotting anchor VWAP means, for example, next यहाँ से next nearest swing low is here. If even I am plotting anchor VWAP here, just notice still it will be above the breakout sideways only, not worth. यहाँ पे anchor VWAP कोई भी काम नहीं आने वाला. Breakout failure is the only option. Sideways है. Breakout downside same day failure. यहाँ पे I'll go with this. Breakout failure candle I. I will not wait till here. Not worth. Because I need to make sure this failure is there means if it is again coming down, I need to immediately come out of the system. Right? Simple rule है. Breakout failure same. Previous candle low is the stop loss. Just notice here price again came before whether it is crossing the high. This is the high. Few point buffer price not got. यहाँ पे cross कर रहा है. And then it is taking time here. So this is my previous candle low is my stop loss. ऊपर जाएगा. यहाँ पे is this. This is a rejection. This is where I will be focusing on towards my exit. But this is one of the riskiest method in terms of breakout. यहाँ पे failure of breakout is very high. Randomly breakout ले लिया failure होने की chances. That is the to safeguard. I'm looking for any breakout failure from bears and then going in a downside moving market, downtrending stock. Okay, in a bull market, it is downtrending stock means sochna padega. We have to think it twice, thrice, multiple times. It has to be think. Fine enough. I have showed you different aspect breakout के लिए, momentum के लिए, framework, exit, my exit way, my entry way, my stop loss way, my trailing stop loss way. Everything I mentioned stage by stage in detail fully. Hope this video was useful. Just make sure if you find it worthful, useful, any input which was there worthy, just make sure any query, feedbacks, just let me know in the comment section. Don't miss out. If you have anything, just let me know in the comment section.